We've been learning about plants, and here's a plant called celery. And celery is kind of cool because what you eat in celery is the stem. And you learn that a stem's job in the plant is to provide structure to hold the plant up. And it's also to transport water and nutrients and sugar up and down in the plant. So the structures that carry the nutrients up are called xylem, and they're like tubes that go up inside of the plant, kind of like little mini straws. And what's interesting is that the leaves of the plant, are actually losing water through a process called transpiration. So they're losing water to the atmosphere. I have a feeling that water loss kind of pulls water up into the plant. So to test that, we are going to do a little experiment. So I'm going to just chop off a slice of this celery. So here's a piece of celery with some leaves on it. And then I have another piece of celery with no leaves on it. I'm going to cut them to about the same length. So now they're about the same length. And I'm going to put them in some water and add food coloring to that water. So the question that we're trying to answer here is, do leaves draw water up through the plant? Now, if they do, then I would expect that we'll see the food coloring get pulled up into this celery with the leaves on it quicker than the celery without the leaves on it. So that's the question we're trying to answer. I'm going to put some food coloring drops in here. And let's see what happens.